Good morning, evening, afternoon, whatever it is, wherever you're at when you are watching. If you already read the title, you already know what's going on. If you did not, I'm going to tell you anyway. You know this. So today we are going to Apple. So I'm going to tell you guys the backstory about what happened to me with Apple, but I do have to go because I have an appointment. And I should make it on time, but you never know. I'm already late, actually. I'm already late. So, let me just start driving. And I'm gonna set you guys up. Kind of like right here. So, I actually already ordered my laptop. I was supposed to get it about 3 days ago. And it got lost. So they told me to wait after the first day that it was supposed to be delivered. Mind you, I was picking it up from the store, so it's being delivered to the store and I pick it up from the store. And after the first day they told me to give it 2 days, but they had already lost the package by the time I called and everything, and that they were going to try to find it or whatever, and if they didn't find it, to contact them again, and they'll either do another one or cancel. So I just decided to hold on. Okay, so like I was saying, basically the package got lost and they told me to contact them again if they didn't get it in the next 2 days, or if I didn't get an email saying they could pick it up in the next 2 days. So after that, I got the refund back last night. I made an appointment to come in, and then I'm about to go pick it out. Hopefully I get the same one. If it's not the same one, I don't want it, because that's ridiculous. I'm gonna have to wait for it to be, sent out again, and who's to say that the same thing is not gonna happen? I'm not gonna get it, so I have to wait for my refund, of course, and buy another one. So I'm on my way to do that, and yeah, so we'll see how it goes. So guys, we got the Macbook. Look here. We got it. Okay, so I have so much more to do, so I gotta get back home so I can unbox this for you guys, and we can start our journey together on the MacBook, because yes. So because I've been so unhealthy, instead of going to get a whole fast food meal, I'm actually going to get an acai bowl. They are super good. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show y'all the place. I'm gonna give you guys my spot. They have super amazing bowls, super natural, super healthy, all that good stuff. Okay, so y'all, so I'm at the place. The place is called Robeks Juice. You can see it right there. Look right there. Robeks Juice. That's where we're going.
They know the names of orders they make it, and they know who you are, and knew you didn't order anything already. They just People are gonna go 5
Okay guys, so we are back at home, back ready to open it. I'm excited. So I stuck this in here to keep them together or whatever. This is this. Oh, this receipt. I'm glad that I did go in store because I ended up paying like at least like $100 and something less than what I would have been paying when I ordered it online. Hot chocolate. Y'all, I'm super excited. And look, it got the little. Just look at it. Just take a moment. Just absorb the box, okay? Okay, I'm gonna come closer. Not even about me anymore. This is about my laptop. So I'll pull this off right here. Was I supposed to do that? I don't even know. Hold on. It's the charger. What is up with Apple not sending their stuff with the box? Make it make sense to me, Apple. Oh, never mind. I'm talking mess. Look at me. Open up the thing already. When it come with the double port, so I can charge my phone too. I like that. At the moment, wait, it's upside down. Hold on. She's beautiful. Oh, it did it for me. Y'all, look. It immediately started. And it light up. And it's saying hello. Okay, all the iPhones do this. All Apple products do this. Okay, I'm extra. But yes. Okay, wait. Hold on, let me turn it off. Hold on. I'm too happy. We don't know how to do that. We don't know how to turn it off. So we're just gonna close it. We're just gonna close it. We don't know how to turn it off yet. We are making sure.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
How you turn this bitch off? Okay, well, anyways. Like I said in the other video, I'm still not 100% safe with this, but now we get to open everything. Something I could stab this one. My nails are not strong enough, y'all. Yes, they are. Don't ever underestimate my nails again. This is for the bottom. Yeah, that's for the bottom. I don't like that it doesn't have an Apple sign on it, but we're gonna let that go. We're gonna let it slide for now. Is there a specific way it's supposed to go? I guarantee it's like that. It's a snap on. Don't tell me it don't fit. It don't even fit. Yo, that's good. Y'all, it don't even fit. Ghetto. It don't fit. Look, the top is too short. It's just popping off. It's going back to Amazon. It would have been cute though. Honestly, now that I see it, I don't even want ghetto. It's not even the same. That's how it would have looked. There we go. I wasn't putting it on right. Okay, so maybe I gotta slide this in too. Yeah, I had to slide it in, y'all. I'm talking this. And it's cute. It's cute. And then it has the film, which I'm gonna put on later. And then it has the keyboard stuff. Which is wrong. It's not wrong. It's kind of wrong. Hold on, y'all. Can y'all see? Ghetto. I'm taking it back. I'm definitely gonna take this back. Send this back because we can't have that. And this don't fit. So Amazon has failed me in this department, but my laptop is beautiful. It's absolutely amazing. I love it. As soon as I figure out how to turn it on. So that is it for this video. I am super excited because everything is about to change. School, editing, life is about to change. It's about to change for the better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this time with me, this day with me. I'll see you next time.